Gates open, they're up and racing. Best of Biscuit draws for your lead. Bianca's Fantasies right behind in second. Moving up to take third from the outside is Mr. Victory. Together with Sweet Embrace, then sneaking in down on the inside is Gaia. Next in line, running second last is Royal Viva. And trailing the group is Earl Grey past the 3/4 mouthful. Best of Biscuit in command by 3/4 of a length lead. Running in second is Hoy Makati, then followed by Mr. Victory. Running by the real fourth, Gaia. On the outside, Pips with Embrace, then followed by Bianca's Fantasy. Next in line, Royal Viva and Earl Grey still in behind them. Past the last 800 and going to the final 600 meters of the race. We have Best of Biscuit remains in front. Running in second, Awadi outside, and throwing a challenge is Mr. Victory. Gaia is sneaking in down on the inside and out, diving through the lead. Gaia takes the lead. Mr. Victory remains in second, fading out. Best of Biscuit sneaking in by the release. Bianca's Fantasy as they turn for home. Two runners are now parted out for the lead. Gaia, Bianca's Fantasies by the rail. Sweet Embrace on the outside. Mr. Victory, Royal Viva with the last 100 meters. Gaia, this time by about 4 lengths, and finally Gaia. Sweet Embrace close between Royal Viva and Bianca's Fantasy. Mr. Victory for your Pentafecta.
Only the